Our 8th place sport goes to Smoke Syndicate.
Hey, sweet, that works. All right. Thank you so much.
7th place sport goes to Meadow Valley Barbecue. Sixth place, Bubba's Q. Fifth place part goes to Big Daddy's Barbecue. Okay, 3rd place part goes to Let's Kick Some Ass. Sport, I'm sorry. Sorry. I screwed up again. That's time for me to retire. 4th place sport, I'm sorry, goes to Brew BQ.
Go, Shorty.
Second place.
Good try.
Okay, Bruce, get on up here for your 3rd place part. Let's kick some ass.
Way to go, Bruce. All right, way to go, guys.
This close to cooking butt to butt.
2nd place part goes to Iowa Outlaws Barbecue. And our 1st place pork, invitation to Butt 13 in Jeff City, Missouri next year. This ain't no wheat check. Twyford's Barbecue and Catering.
Thank you. Triangle.
Oh, man. All right. Get up here. Get your picture,
Mark.
baby.
Yeah.
Oh,
Photo
hold on. All right. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay, on to the brisket category. 10th place, Emerald Buffalo.
Getting your exercise in. That's nice. Way to go, honey.
Gas mileage home.
Good, good.
9th place brisket goes to Smoker's Wild. Eighth place brisket, Meadow Valley Barbecue. Seventh brisket, the heat is on.
Get your picture in.
Oh.
Okay.
Thanks.
Sixth place brisket, Buster Dog Barbecue. Fifth and brisket goes to Let's Kick Some Ass.
Congratulations, Bruce.
Thank you, my dear.
Fourth and brisket, You Baking Me Crazy. Third place brisket goes to the Q joint.
You say first place, I couldn't hear
The
back.
Q, no, not quite.
That's all right, that'll work. Not bad for Fat Okie, is it?
That's right. Second place in brisket goes to Iowa Outlaws Barbecue. And the first place brisket goes to Monster Q.
Oops, come on.
I tried.
What's that? Right there. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we're going to draw them raffle tickets out now. We'll get that over.